How we doing today, people? It's your boy Yancymane back with another video, and today I'll be reviewing a case for the Gear S, the Galaxy Fold 3. It's a completely protective case and S Pen holder. So with this, it's going to protect your hinge and carry your S Pen. All right. This case is from a company called Vigo. Alright. I picked it up from Amazon. I'll pull it up real quick, show you how much I paid for it. Hope everybody's doing well. It's currently hot as hell in Texas. Let's see here. Yeah, oh, there you go. Hope y'all can see that reflection. I'm blocking it too much. But you can see right here, they got different colors as well. I went with the carbon fiber right here. Black, matte black, midnight green, red, rose pink or rose gold, and silver. Okay. 32 bucks. If you tap here, you get 10% off. All right. I believe that's it. Yeah. And the company is Vigo. As you can see up there, Vigo store. All right. Let's get into it. Okay. So this is what I currently been rocking. I actually bought this Punisher decal. It's for your car, but I never put it on my car, so I had a blank case, so I just popped it on there. But let's pop this one off. Alright, let's see what it gets. So first of all, I know y'all see the S Pen in there. It doesn't come with the S Pen. I actually opened it and was trying to see how the S Pen fit. So this is my S Pen. It doesn't come with one. All right. So this is actually everything it comes with. Of course, your wet and dry wipe, additional adhesiveness. All right, and instructions. So I don't know. It seems pretty straightforward, but we'll see. Alright. Alright, so this is the case itself. So as you can see, there's protective film on both sides. Just peel that off. Like so. And the same for this side. Alright. And you're left with a clear protective cover for your phone. So I'll pop this on first. Like so, easy. Alright. And here you have adhesiveness on both ends here. But I'm not going to take it off just yet. On the inside here you have magnets with soft material. You know, of course, to keep from scratching your hinge. Alright. You have a couple of hinges here. Up and down, or 3. It's kind of flexible, really flexible. Okay. Hard material, very hard material. Kickstand and the Velcro stripping for your S Pen holder. So it's optional. It's a good thing. Just snap it on. That went on fairly easy. Alright. And this is how it looks. I like that texture on there. Good for grip. It's not just a decoration, it's actually textured. Alright, like I said, I went with the carbon fiber. Got your camera protection as well. It's lifted pretty good there, you see. Of course, without the S Pen holder, It's gonna sit flat. Let's see how it look when you open it though. So, not too bad. It's definitely gonna rock. Of course, you can tell that with hinge protection. It's not too often you're gonna get hinge protection and your phone not rock when you're laying it flat. Alright, so let's just add this here. Real simple. Okay. It's on pretty good. I think so. I mean, you really have to be trying to pry it off. So it's not gonna just fall off. Let's pop in S Pen. S Pen fits real snug. I really like that about it. Alright, and this is it. Not bad for, I think, 30 bucks after the discount. Oh, look at that. It's lifting up right there. I wonder why. That's weird. I wonder why though. Oh shit, I know why. I have a, I don't know if you guys can tell, I have a cover over my lens right there. See that piece, that thick piece right there? That's why. Okay. Wow. Okay guys, I got it off. So you can see right there. So it should fit pretty flush now. Yeah, it is. There it is. Alright. So like I was saying, great texture, carbon fiber looks good. Kickstand works. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh. Kickstand works. Watching movies, YouTube videos, or whatnot. That's good. So you're getting a 3-in-1 in my case. And I say 3-in-1, I mean hinge protection, S Pen holder, kickstand. Really, you can continue to go on. Screen protector for your home screen. And overall, a good look. Of course, it adds some bulk, but this is one that adds bulk that looks good. Alright. Again, of course, it's not gonna lay flat with the hinge protection and the S Pen holder. Even if you pop the S Pen holder off, it still won't lay flat. Okay. But this is how it looks from the back there. And I have a screen protector on the screen, which if I use this in my daily driver, I'll be peeling off since it's one built in the case. But this looks real good. Looks real good. Not 100% content with the S Pen holder, but it works. It does what it's supposed to do. The Velcro could be a lot stronger. Alright. But as you can see, all the cutouts are there. Speaker grill, mic, antennas. And same, like I said, same for the bottom. Nothing on the side there. Of course, this side, everything's open, but as you can see, it's fitting flush. Alright. Very little lip on the edges, so hopefully you don't drop your phone flat down. Minimal protection, as you can see. Alright. Nice. I think it's worth the 30 bucks. Whatever I spent after the discount, I think it's worth it. I don't mind the bulk. As you can see, I have large hands, so the bulk is not an issue for me. And my carrying pouch, it'll fit right in it. So, all right. All right. As always, I encourage you guys, if you have any questions or comments or something I might have missed that you're curious about, please drop it in the comments below and I'll respond to you at my earliest convenience. As always, I encourage you guys that do follow, to turn on the notification for future videos. Those that don't follow, today's your day. Start to follow now. She gets tongue-tied tonight. It's your boy Yancymane. I'm out.